Speaking of epic road trips, let's hit the road. Here are the top 10 iconic drives of the world. First up, Route 66, the ultimate American road trip with retro diners and endless desert roads. Second, the Great Ocean Road in Australia. Picture rugged cliffs and the 12 apostles right in front of you. Number 3, Iceland's Ring Road. Picture volcanoes, waterfalls, and otherworldly landscapes. Number 4, Amalfi Coast in Italy. Jaw-dropping coastal roads and picturesque colorful villages like Positano. Number 5, Garden Route, South Africa. Lush forests, wildlife beauty, and ocean scenery all in one. Next up is the Pacific Coast Highway in USA. Drive the golden coastline of California with Big Sur as the start. Scotland's North Coast 500. Charming villages, amazing castles, and a sip of the world-famous Scotch whisky. Number 8, Norway's Atlantic Road. Zigzag bridges and fjords that just defy your imagination. Number 9, the Milford Road in New Zealand. A journey through waterfalls, fjords, and mirror-like lakes. Number 10, the Leh-Manali Highway. High altitude passes, dramatic landscapes, and an adventure of a lifetime. Mountains, beaches, or highways, there is a road trip for every other adventurer. Which one is your favorite? Please tell us in the comments.